Its 1966 eruption was more than twice the size as the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. Since May of 2023, Mount AWU has been undergoing a slow escalation in unrest, likely due to a new batch of magma filling and then rising from its magma chamber. At one point, during a peak in activity in August of 2024, magma was likely only a few hundred meters below the summit of the volcano. And yet, this magma seemingly stalled and solidified without triggering an eruption. After activity continually declined for a time, this trend suddenly reversed during the last week. There has been new uplift detected, a large crack has suddenly appeared on its 2004 lava dome, and carbon monoxide emissions have increased. However, what is most important is that AWU produced its highest level of low-frequency earthquakes during its entire multi-years-long unrest. For reference, quoting word for word from the U.S. Geological Survey, long-period or low-frequency earthquakes are caused by cracks resonating as magma and gases move toward the surface. In my opinion, a new batch of magma is attempting to break through a portion of the mostly solidified failed 2024 intrusion which is causing these earthquakes. How far this fresh magma might have progressed is uncertain, but it is a good time to remind everyone to stay out of this volcano's 3-kilometer exclusion zone in all directions around its summit. While most magmatic intrusions fail to reach the surface and produce an eruption, only time will tell what happens next. Kirishima volcano heading over to Japan. Since March 28, changes have been occurring at the Kirishima volcano, suggesting a chance that it may soon erupt. The rate of volcanic earthquakes beneath its most active crater, Shinmodaki, has been continually increasing this week, occurring alongside a tiltmeter change indicating the movement of fluids at depth. Then, on March 30, a 10-minute-long volcanic tremor was detected, suggesting potential magma movement in the vent's magma conduit. Occurring alongside this, the crater has begun degassing at an elevated level. As a result, the alert level of Kirishima's Shinmodaki vent was raised from yellow to orange, and people were told to be cautious of potential volcanic hazards within a 4-kilometer radius of its summit. Meanwhile, in the Azores, an unusual and strong earthquake swarm struck between the islands of Azores earthquake swarm São Miguel and Terceira. This occurred at a little-known active submarine volcano called Dom João de Castro Bank, which last erupted in 1720, forming a temporary island. Since then, multiple unusual earthquake swarms thought to be due to magma movement have occurred, strangely enough all creating a chain of quakes that run perpendicular to the lineament this volcanic complex exists on. Well, another such earthquake swarm began on March 25, and since then more than 40 magnitude 2 or larger quakes have struck, the largest of which was a magnitude 4.3. While this activity could technically signal that a submarine eruption of low intensity is actively underway, I have found no evidence that this is the case. Here is a quick list of all of the world's list of erupting volcanoes. Volcanoes which are currently erupting. Additionally, here are some volcanoes showing signs of unrest which are not erupting as of the recording of this video on March 31 of 2025. As a final note, I would like to thank my new patron LB for supporting this channel.